Hi, this video is from interview.com. Indeed.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to Indeed.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to explain 35 Java exception related interview questions. This is the last part of it. Let's see the questions. 23rd. Is it possible to throw an error? Yes, it is possible to throw an error. Any throwable type include error. Is it possible to throw an object? No, we can use throw keyword only throwable object, otherwise we will get compile time error saying unreachable statement. What is the purpose of throws keyword? Throws keyword used to propagate the exception. That means I called a method. In that method I try to do something. I try to read a file, and there was a problem, and in that method I can't do it. I can't handle that exception, so I'm propagating it. I'm throwing that exception to the called class or method, so that he has the knowledge how to handle it and find an alternative way to go to the normal flow. Okay, so that's where throws comes into picture. What is the difference between throws and thrown? This is a little confusing question. There is no such word called thrown in Java. Explain the exception handling keyword. The exception handling keywords are try, catch, finally, throw and throws. Okay, which class is the root class in Java exception hierarchy? Throwable class is the top class in exception hierarchy. What is the difference between exception and error? Exception is you can recover from it. Error, these are not caused by program, mostly caused by lack of system resources. Your DB is down, DB server is down, your file is not available, your service is down, something like that, so you cannot recover. What is the difference between checked and unchecked exception? That exception checked by compile time is called checked exceptions. That exception checked by compile time. Okay, exceptions which are not checked by compile time, those exceptions are called unchecked exceptions. For example, runtime exception. What is difference between partially checked and fully checked exception? A checked exception is said to be fully checked if and only if all the child class also checked. Otherwise, it is called partially checked exception. The examples are IO exception, fully checked exception, partially exception. What are customized exceptions? Sometimes based on your programming requirement, we have to create our own exception, such exception called customized exception. Can you give the name of most common exception occurred in your previous project? Null point exception, array index bound of exception, stack overflow exception, class exception, no class def found exception, no class not found exception. There are a lot of exceptions. Okay, will the finally block executed if there is an exception thrown in try block? Yes, the finally block will override the thrown exception. Finally always dominates. Please remember, finally always dominates. Can we catch runtime exception? Yes, we can catch or throw runtime exception, but the compiler will not complain about it, since it is a unchecked exception. Okay, hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.